students. In this video, I am going to discuss acidic nature and Grignard reagent. So in organic chemistry, most of the questions again, which is more acidic, which is least acidic, which is more basic, which is least acidic, and decreasing order, increasing order, like that they are asking questions in competitive exam, right? So and afterwards Grignard reagent. So if you have command in Grignard reagent, every chapter minimum 20% of chemistry is included with Grignard reagent. So first I am going to give information about acidic nature. Acidic nature. Which compound will give hydrogen faster? Which compound will give hydrogen faster? Generally more acidic, right? This is point 1. And second point, Ka, based on dissociation constant also. Ka is more, that is more acidic. Ka is directly proportional to acidic nature. And pKa inversely proportional to acidic nature. Next, Kb is nothing but more basic. More basic means least acidic. Like that we can discuss next video. I will discuss about basic nature. And this video I am going to discuss acidic nature, Grignard reagent. See students, I am explaining with simple example first. One of the familiar example, phenols. Phenols and alcohol. So let me take ethyl alcohol. Phenol and ethyl alcohol. Write the names. Yes. Which is more acidic? Tell me students. Yes. Phenols are more acidic. Phenols are more acidic. Why? What is the reason? What is the reason? So starting point I gave, which compound will give hydrogen faster? Generally that is more acidic compounds. Mineral acids are all will give, and next category I am explaining. Which compound will give more hydrogen faster? That is more acidic. See, in phenol also we have hydrogen, and here also hydrogen. Both generally acidic in nature. Both are acidic in nature. But when you compare with the other compound, when you compare with other comparison questions only, we have more. So phenols are more acidic than alcohols. And what reason we are explaining? See, in phenol, hydrogen is losing faster. Phenol, hydrogen giving faster, giving like protonic acids. So giving proton. See, after losing this one, after lose proton, what is the rest part here? This is what we call it as phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion. This phenoxide ion is more stable. So this is phenol. So what is the node point? I am writing one node point here, students. Node point. What is the node point? Which after losing, which compound is, which ion or else which compound is more stabilized? Any factor more stabilized by generally resonance, more stabilized by resonance, any other factors also, electronic effects we have, no, inductive effect, hyperconjugation, any effect. After losing which compound, after losing hydrogen, Which compound is more stabilized by resonance? So I am talking here these two examples. Okay. So after losing hydrogen, which compound is more stabilized by more stable, more stabilized? Stabilizing factors depends. Here it is resonance. Okay. By resonance, that is more acidic. That is more acidic. See here students, after losing hydrogen, it is forming phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion is generally, you look into this one. To understand more, I will give you one simple point, carbon. So carbon, it is a neutral condition. If you will take charged species like C plus and C minus, this is what we call it as carbocation. So carbocation, this is what we call it as carbanion. So carbocation stable also, unstable, carbanion case also, both are ionic state is nothing but unstable. But how to get stability? Carbocation, it will take electrons from the neighboring group, it can stabilize. Okay, it will go to the normal condition, it can stabilize. Suppose carbanion is there, carbanion condition is there, it gives electrons to others. It will give electrons to others and such a way you will get the stability. So same here also, phenoxide ion, O minus, electron density is more, negative charge is more. This negative charge is stabilized by resonance. This phenyl group acts as both. It takes electrons, gives electrons, depends on the situation. Acts as electron withdrawing group and electron donating group, right? So now he is taking. So phenoxide ion is giving electrons because it has excess anion stage. So it is giving electrons to system, such a way is getting stabilized. You will get three resonating structures. First, ortho position you will get negative charge, and para position you will get negative charge, and again ortho position you will get negative charge. That's why we call it as phenol is a OP director also. So next video I will explain this OP directors and meta directors coming videos. But here, so this is enough. So phenols are more acidic due to the formation of phenoxide ion. So after losing hydrogen, the rest part is stable. So rest part is stable. Then this guy will feel like you can go, I will be happy. So after losing this guy, he is very happy with some factors. What is the factor here? Resonance. Clear. So what about the condition 2? If you look into alcohols, yes, alcohols, CH3, CH2OH. Here also, after losing, he is also giving hydrogen. He is acidic in nature. But when compared to phenols, it is less acidic. Why? What is the reason? See, electron density is more an oxygen case. This is what we call it as alkoxide ion. Alkoxide ion. Alkoxide ion is destable. Why? Destabilizing. See, what are the attached groups here? Attached groups are plus I groups. Plus I groups is nothing but electron releasing groups. Electron releasing groups. So electrons releasing. First of all, this guy don't want electrons. He want to give electrons to the system. But system already having good electrons because these are all access plus I groups. So he is giving. He is also giving. He is first of all unstable. Again giving more means it is more unstable, destabilizing. So what is that? Due to the formation of alkoxide ion, due to the formation of alkoxide ion, due to the formation of alkoxide ion, alcohols are less acidic. Alkoxide ion destabilizing the compound. Destabilizing. This intermediate, here intermediate is phenoxide ion. Yes, it is stabilizing, but here it is destabilizing because of the rest part we are seeing. So acidic nature. This is one of the simple point. If you understand it is number of questions you can do easy way. Okay, not only phenols. So we have a big list. I am going to write first list. Sulfonic acid, the tosyl groups generally good living groups. Why good living groups? It is came from strong acid. Strong acids always gives weak bases. Weak bases are good nucleophiles. Like that, students. Now I am going to give acidic nature order. Acidic nature order. So first one, sulfonic acid. This is sulfonic acid. Look into this, students. Generally, we are writing RSO3H. So to understand more, I have written here. Just look into this. See here, he is giving fastly hydrogen. After losing, he is giving fastly hydrogen means definitely more acidic, right? So why is giving fastly hydrogen? Rest part you see. Rest part it is stabilized by conjugation. See conjugation. See O minus, he has have more electron density. Then what happens? This electron will take. Even this oxygen will take the electrons, and this oxygen also will take the electrons. So due to conjugation, the rest part after losing acid, after losing hydrogen, the rest part what we call it as conjugate base. Conjugate base. Due to conjugation, conjugate base is more stable. You will go, I will be happy. Who is going? Hydrogen is going. After that, rest part is happy and stabilizing. So that's all. If you catch this point, we can do good number of questions in coming videos. RSO3H, that's what we call it as sulfonic acid. I am writing order here, students, acidic nature. And keep it in mind one more point. What is this? Acidic nature and basic nature. Which is more acidic? Which is strong acid? Better word. Strong acid always gives weak bases. Weak bases. Weak bases are good nucleophiles. Weak bases are good nucleophiles. Students, generally I am giving general example I am giving. Again depends on solvent also, its effect will change. No? Protic, polar protic solvents, polar aprotic solvents. So that is SN1, SN2 reaction explanation time I will teach. So see here what I am telling, one inorganic acid, what is that? HF is HCl and HBr, HI. If you take here, so what is, which is stronger acid? Which is stronger acid? Any idea? So HI, yes. As we move down, how can you say HI is stronger acid? Means he is fastly losing hydrogen. Who is giving fastly hydrogen? That is more acidic, we have discussed, no? See, why is losing fastly hydrogen? See, as we move down the group, what happens? Size increases, right? Size increases. So now element, what is the element here? Iodine. Iodine size is like this, hydrogen size is like this, right? So as we move down the group, size increases, element size increases. So then what happens? Bond length increases. If bond length increases, what happens? Bond dissociation energy decreases. That means easily we can break this one. Easily it lose hydrogen. Who is giving easily, fastly hydrogen? That guy is more acidic, right? So finally here F minus, Cl minus, Br minus, after losing hydrogen, rest part I am writing. Fluoride, chloride, bromide, iodide. Which is a weak base. Yes, iodide is weak base, right? Weak base, because it came from strong acid HI. Okay, strong acid always gives weak base. You can write like this: HI gives rise to H plus plus I minus. Okay, this I minus we call it as, what is the, students? Weak base. So weak bases are good nucleophiles. In SN1, SN2 reactions time also something I minus like this, Br minus and Cl minus, IF minus they will give. Which is the good base means we are selecting generally iodides, no? Why? Because weak bases. Weak bases are good nucleophiles. Okay. Now, finally, what is the point I'm going to discuss here? Strong acid always gives weak bases. Weak bases are good nucleophiles. And vice versa. Next, other point you can take it. What is this? Weak acid. Weak acid gives strong bases. Yes, this is important point. Now, strong bases means it abstracts hydrogen easily. It abstracts hydrogen. Okay. Now, I'm going to give the order. This is really useful, students. This is acidic nature. So, we'll work out good questions here. Acidic nature. Okay, first one I am writing RSO3H. This is strong acid. Afterwards, anyone have idea? Next, carbonic acid. Carbonic acid, H2CO3. Carbonic. So this is to confuse student. They may sometimes you may get questions. Carbonic acid. And next one, acetic acid, RCOOH, acetic acid. Next one, phenol, phenol. Second year, all groups it will cover, all functional groups. Next one is students, water. So, but here one exceptional case is there, students. I am writing exceptional. So we all know exceptional points plays important role for competitive exams. See water, water. One second. Water. Afterwards, alcohol. Here exceptional case. Water, alcohol. If you look into this, CH3, CH2OH and water they have given. Among these two, which is more acidic? Definitely water is more acidic. Why water is more acidic? After losing hydrogen, water forms OH minus. This is hydroxide ion. Hydroxide ion. So whatever, just previous point C, CH3, CH2O minus. Yes, this is what? Alkoxide ion. See, alkoxide ion is destabilizing, right? But hydroxide ion neither stabilizing nor destabilizing. That's the reason. So, ethyl alcohol, higher alcohols are less acidic than water. But one exception, what I said, methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol is more acidic than water based on experimental pKa values. Students, pKa value inversely proportional to acidic nature, which is the least pKa value that is more acidic. Then afterwards, ROH. After that, we'll take acetylene. Acetylene. Alkynes also acidic in nature. Alkynes also acidic in nature. Afterwards, ammonia. And the last one is RH. Alkane. This is our topic, Grignard reagent. I'm going to discuss about Grignard reagent. So this is the acidic nature order. Sulfonic acid, carbonic acid, carboxylic acid, phenol, water here exceptional case, don't forget, and methyl alcohol, only more acidic than water, remaining all the alcohols less acidic. And acetylene, ammonia, and what about this guy? Last one is RH. Now can you write the basic nature order? So try yourself for basic nature order, just ulta. You can take it. R. After losing hydrogen, the rest parts you can write. R minus, strong base. Next, NH2 minus, strong base. Next one. Externalite. Next, RO minus. Next, here exceptional case I said no, OH minus, and that you keep it in mind. PHO minus, phenoxide ion. Then what is the next one? RCOO minus. This is phenol, we call it as carbolic acid. Okay. Now next one, HCO3 minus. After losing one hydrogen, rest part you can write that SO3 minus. See, this is the finally basic nature order. So now finally R minus, alkanes are least acidic, means more basic. Okay. So now, I'm going to upload one more video, that is R minus Grignard reagent. Okay students, thank you. Thanks for watching.